In this video, I will show you how to build a storage chest in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So to go ahead and build a storage chest, you can actually find this in the build menu. So if you open up the build menu, and what you want to do is come across to the furniture section, and in the sub menu for furniture, you just want to come across to the picture of the chest, and this way you can go ahead and build all your different storage chests. So to start with, you normally just get the medium and small chests, but throughout the game, as you upgrade your village, you can unlock different types of chests. Of course, the resource requirements do vary dependent on what kind of chest you want to build, but for most of them you do need planks of wood. So to go ahead and get planks of wood, all you want to do is chop down some trees, and if you actually go and build a lumber mill, and you'll see once you built your lumber mill, you can use the lumber mill to turn your wood into planks, just by simply assigning the recipe and depositing your wood to build planks. Of course, once you've got enough planks, then you'll be able to go ahead and build just the basic small chest by simply opening up the build menu, coming back to the furniture section, and in the sub menu going across to the storage section. And if you have a look at the small chest, you need a total of 6 planks. So once you've got enough resources, what you can do is go ahead and build a storage chest. And as you can see, you can open this up, and the small chest has 10 slots in total, so you can move things from your inventory across to the storage chest. Of course, the different chests do have different levels. So for example, if I build up the medium chest, I'm just going to build up one too. You'll see when we open this one, you've actually got more space. You've actually got 16 slots in total, and you can use these to store items from your inventory. So that's how to go ahead and build a storage chest in LEGO Fortnite. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.